Highways move fast, but so do the signs. If you're not paying attention, you could miss something important. So, let's break down how to read highway signs and what to watch for. Let's start with the green signs. These are your directional signs. They tell you the name of the highway, your exits, and which cities or roads are coming up. Pay close attention to the direction east, west, north, south. If you're headed to Topeka from Kansas City, you'll follow I-70 west. If you're going to St. Louis, that's I-70 east. One number, two very different directions. It's important that we see this early so we know the appropriate lane to be in. Interstate signs are red, white, and blue shields, like I-35 or I-435. These are the big ones. U.S. highways are black and white shields. State highways can vary in appearance. In Kansas, they're yellow flowers. Yellow signs give you warnings, sharp turns, reduced speed ahead, or merges, where a car is entering the highway on the right. The merging car has the right of way, so you'll have to move to let them in if it's safe to do so. They're not suggestions. They're heads-ups. White signs are regulatory. They're the law. That includes speed limits, lane rules, like this one informing you need to yield to pedestrians crossing the road. Or this one, indicating vehicles classified as trucks are prohibited from using that road or area. Now, here's the important part. If the exit number is above the right lane, your exit is on the right. If it's above the left lane, your exit is on the left. Kansas does have some left-hand exits, so don't be surprised. Just be ready. Also, exits are numbered and they go in order, but letters matter too. 8A is not the same as 8B. Miss one and you might need to loop around. So next time you're on the highway, read the signs early, look for direction, lane info, and exit numbers. A little heads up now saves a lot of stress later. Regulatory signs are white. Diamond-shaped yellow signs indicate what? Warning signs, for a potential hazard or special situation ahead.